In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with third-party apps seamlessly, ensuring your digital marketing efforts are as efficient and effective as possible. Integrating Klaviyo with other platforms allows you to automate workflows, synchronize data, and optimize your marketing strategies. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Logging in is the gateway to accessing the powerful suite of tools and features that Klaviyo offers. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the familiar dashboard interface. Take a deep breath and get comfortable. You're in the right place. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This panel will be your guide to navigating through different functionalities. We are looking for the integrations option here. When you click integrations, you're essentially opening the door to connecting Klaviyo with a myriad of other applications, multiplying its capabilities. Once you're in the integration section, you'll see a search bar. This is your tool to find the specific third-party app you want to connect with Klaviyo. Type the name of the application you're interested in and let the search engine do its magic. Whether it's Shopify, Magento, or another CRM or e-commerce platform, Klaviyo has a vast library of integrations to choose from. After pinpointing the app you wish to integrate, click on it. This action will lead you to a new window where you'll see options like Add Integration or Install. Click on this button to initiate the integration process between Klaviyo and the chosen third-party app. This step begins to combine the strength of Klaviyo with the efficiency of your desired application. Following this, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to authorize and connect your accounts. Authorization is crucial as it ensures that the data exchange between Klaviyo and the external app is secure and in compliance with privacy norms. Carefully read through these prompts and grant the necessary permissions to facilitate a smooth connection. With the authorization out of the way, it's time to configure your settings. This is where you customize how data syncs between Klaviyo and the third-party app. Consider options such as syncing lists, managing events, and ensuring the data flows in a way that matches your business needs. Proper configuration can save you from headaches later on, so take your time here. And finally, once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, don't forget to hit save. Saving finalizes the integration, embedding it into the Klaviyo ecosystem. You're now equipped to leverage the newly integrated app to bolster your marketing strategies. Now that you've completed these steps, you're ready to start exploring the combined power of Klaviyo with your selected third-party application. This integration will not only streamline your workflows but also enhance your marketing insights and capabilities. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and tricks to maximize your digital marketing success.